Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss some conceptual topics of physics which are work done, types of work done, power, energy, and types of energy also. So let me teach you now. First of all, work done. Basically, whenever we will apply a force on an object and it will cover a certain displacement in the direction of force, then work is said to be done on an object. So we can say that work done depends upon force, displacement, and the angle between force and displacement. Further, work done will be maximum when the angle between force and displacement is equal to 0. But if the angle between force and displacement is equal to 90 degree, in that case work is said to be 0. Similarly, if the displacement covered by an object due to applied force is equal to 0, then there is no work done also. And the last thing, if the net of all the forces acting on an object is equal to 0, then there is no work done. Now let's move toward the next topic, that is types of work done. That is positive work done, negative work done, and zero work done. First of all, positive work done. Here force and displacement is in the same direction and the direction of force and direction of motion is also same. So velocity increase, due to which kinetic energy increase. Similarly, in negative work done, force and displacement is in opposite direction. So kinetic energy decreases at each and every point. As you can see that here body will done negative work done against downward gravitational force and loss its kinetic energy. Now zero work done. As we have discussed previously that whenever force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, then there is no effect of force on displacement, so work done is equal to 0. Now let me teach you the concept of power. Basically, power is the rate of doing work. That means what? How much work is being done in per unit time. Greater the work done in each second, then greater will be the power transfer. As you can see here, in both cases work is equal, but the rate of doing work is not equal. Now let's proceed to our final and straightforward topic, that is energy. Basically, the ability to do work within a body is called energy. Now consider, whenever we are doing positive work done on an object, then the body continuously gain kinetic energy, and this kinetic energy will use when a body doing negative work done against any resistive force. So we can say that work done and energy both are interconvertible to each other. So let's discuss some common forms of energy. First of all, chemical energy. Energy that is stored in the bonds of atom and molecule, and it is released during chemical reactions such as burning fuel. The second one is electrical energy. Electrical energy is the energy that is related to the movement of charges. Now, thermal energy is the energy that is related to the random motion of atom and molecules within a substance.